Hello. Hope you are doing great. I am here with another Lightroom preset, called Halloween Preset, and Happy Halloween to all. This is me, Akhil. So let's get started. Free preset for Lightroom, link in description. All you need is a password, so make sure you watch the video till the end. The preset includes desktop version as well. In the package, you'll get XMP file which can be taken faux edit in Lightroom Classic and on Photoshop RAW filters. If you are using Lightroom on a tablet or a mobile phone, there is a DNG file as well, where you can copy to other photos. Please support us by giving a like and subscribing. We will be providing high-quality stuffs. This is a preview of the Lightroom preset, before and after applying. Let's make your photos look amazing with our preset. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Let's take an adventure's ride on magical world of Lightroom. Password will be appearing as a card on top right corner and will appear 2 times. Combine both of them to get the code. Feel free to comment below. Let's go to Lights panel. First of all, exposure to -0.17. Now change the contrast to about 14. Highlights to -53. Shadows to 34. After that, whites to -42. Blacks to -14. No go to tone curve. This is how it looks when done. Go to Color Mix panel, and change the vibrance to -10. On orange, change the hue to about -23. Saturation all the way to 100. Luminance to 30. On yellow, change the hue to -100. Saturation all the way to 14. Luminance to -6. On yellow change the hue to -100. Saturation all the way to -100. Luminance to -62. On aqua change the hue to -63. Saturation all the way to -30. Luminance to -13. On blue change the hue to -100. Saturation all the way to -100. Luminance to -2. Go to Effects panel and change Vignette to -34. Clarity to 49. Now copy the settings and paste it to your other photos. After downloading the preset, do the same. Copy settings and paste. Note that preset may not work for all images. So make sure to increase the highlights, exposure, whites and blacks manually, if the photos are dark. Thank you so much for supporting. If you really liked this video, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Have a nice day. Click the video for more tutorials and free presets.